Yo, my name is Chavez and I run OSO Manufacturing Company. Been working with rigs since day one, enjoyed every second of it. The story I want to tell you guys is the first time I got introduced to cafe racer culture, as well as Duke City rockers and the whole moto scene here in Albuquerque. I was printing some shirts. I had a 4-color screen printing machine that I was trying to get going. Printed the shirts for DCR, Duke City Rockers, handed them off down in Nob Hill at Brickyard Pizza Place, and I walk in and there's like so many cool people with helmets, and there was hundreds of motorcycles down the street. And I was just like in heaven on earth. And then I met this dude named Rondo Libre, actually became one of my good friends. And this fool took the time to walk me by almost every bike. And he just explained it all to me, like way over my head. But I just remember that, I'll never forget it. And it really lit a spark in my heart for motorcycle culture, vintage culture, just the whole moto scene in general. And then I ended up building a motorcycle, competing against him in a one-off custom build. And he took the build, he was a better builder at the time. But yeah, that's how I got started. I love motorcycles, always will. Can't wait to get my kid involved and continue to be part of Rust is Gold Garage.
This is Eva,
and I'm Heather,
with New Mexico Biker Lawyer, a local law firm focused on motorcycle cases.
With more than 20 years' experience, we handle your motorcycle case from start to finish. It doesn't matter what you ride, NMBL is by your side.